How to create WeChat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to create WeChat account. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Play Store or App Store and type in WeChat with the help of the search bar. Then you will find the official application. You simply need to tap on the install button and install and download WeChat application on your device. After that, you will see the open button. Simply you need to open the application. Once you open, you will reach on this interface where you will see two options, that is login and sign up. Select the sign up button at bottom right corner of your screen. You can even tap on language at top right and change the language. You need to choose whether you want to sign up via mobile or via Facebook. So for now, choose mobile. You have to enter all the credentials like your name, region or country, phone number and password, and check mark that I have read and accept the WeChat terms of service and tap on accept and continue. So here is the WeChat privacy policy. Agree to the terms and condition to complete the sign up process by checking mark the small circle like icon and tap the next button. In order to protect WeChat from spammers, registration requires further verification to prove you are human, so tap the next button or start button. Select all the images that match. You need to verify your mobile number and then allow WeChat to access your contacts tapping allow button. And here you go. You have successfully created WeChat account. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.